for what? They're the one.
Just
They're
wait.
the ones.
Just wait, okay? You just have to wait.
Cry on cue. 1, 2, 3, 5, top. Bag.
Bakit?
Ano nangyari?
Bakit?
Bakit ba?
Sabihin mo na.
Yeah.
Cry on cue.
Yeah,
Go.
sure.
Alam mo naman ako, di ba masigawan lang ng konti, naluluha na. Tapos sabi, cry, ganun.
Ano? And she's like, hug. And then after the hug, we're like, what are you talking about?
What hug? She always wants hug for what? Stupid.
Sorry na.
Open-minded siya. Pero nagbigay kasi siya ng effort eh. Magsasorry tayo pero hindi tayo mukhang mahina doon. Hindi tayo naglilimos.
Hindi naman ako umiyak talaga sa harap. Pagtalikod ko, pinangunahan ko na, sabi ko, sorry guys, usap tayo. We didn't mean it like that naman. Usap tayo. Doon tayo sa boys mo.
And then all of a sudden she says like, you just need to wait. And we're like, wait for what? No, she's like, you just have to wait. Yeah. Huh? You just have to wait. And she left.
Hindi ako papayag na ginagawa. Sige.
Kahit sino naman eh.
Sige. Relax muna tayo.
Maybe they're just doing plastikan.
We did.
Ako naging naging sa kanya.
Huwag ka nang mainis kasi
Wala.
tayo yung rason kung bakit siya nainis. Yun na lang. Huwag tayong mainis, tayo yung rason kung bakit sila nainis.
Bakit pa daw damay niya?
Lahat tayo damay kasi lahat
na tayo eh.
Sorry naman eh. Nagpakumbaba na naman. Ipapahiya niyo.
Sige.
Huwag mo na ako. Sige na.
It makes me not even want to stay here.
No. That's the point of this house. You have to take all the pressure and not let it get into you. Just think of it as a game, because when we go out of this, everything will be different. So you just have to.
James and I came here. We didn't want to win. We just wanted to meet friends.
Yeah.
Wait na lang tayo.
Wait muna
Maghintay
tayo.
tayo, hindi natin pararatingin sa villa tong problema na to. Ay, walang babalik sa villa pagka ano. Wala pa pagbalik
Set na
sa
ba?
villa, masaya ulit tayo ha.
How can we live in one house after this? I want to burn.
For challenge.
Pabe, ikaw na. Sige
Para
na,
ma-challenge sila.
May na ako kasi control ko lang.
Ako naman, ayoko lang naman yung pinapahiya. Ako nang wala akong kasalanan, wala sa lugar eh, di ba?
Jack Rose, muna tayo. Tsaka si Ed. Saglit lang. Tapos, promise lalabas kami lahat talaga dito, promise. Pero, okay, sige. Explain namin yung part namin, dude. Nahiya talaga ako, promise. Nahiya talaga ako. Kasi, hindi rin naman namin alam kung ano yung naghihintay sa amin. Kumbaga, lahat kami, masyado na kami desperado, di ba? We're so desperate na to get those
Then you
guys.
talk to us like that.
Mag-sorry na lang tayo kasi parang
O kasi kapag uminit yung ulo nila, tapos dinagdagan pa natin na di talaga tayo magkakasundo.
If you came out here, you just asked us. You didn't have to ask rematch or anything. We
Kuya
even
asked us,
all of us to make a rap and tell us that we're.
Yeah. No, we're not making
Make it right. Then Kuya told us to say whatever you want to say.
So that's how you feel about us.
No, dude. I didn't say anything wrong.
kahit hindi naman ako umabot sa big night, okay lang eh. Gusto ko lang magkabati-bati lahat eh.
Guys, it's not
only Ivan.
All you guys said was like,
Yeah, because
We'll call
she's
it.
just crying talaga kasi nahiya siya. Parang napahiya siya.
She was the one who did it the most.
Yeah.
Yeah. The what?
The talking.
The talking?
Not now.
You guys didn't hear yourselves.
bastos naman kasi.
Isang part kayo nainis doon? Isang part? Which part?
Everything.
Everything.
You know, bastos?
Here for like 10 minutes.
You know, can you just please wait? Let me finish.